How to log into your Phantom Wallet app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how we can log in into our Phantom Wallet app. So if you're also wondering and looking out for a process on how we can do that, in this video, we will guide you on how we can do it. So let's just go ahead and start it. First of all, go ahead and download the Phantom Wallet application on your device if you don't have one. And once you have downloaded the app, you can just go ahead and simply tap on it and launch it on your device. Once you reach over here, you can find this section. First of all, you need to agree to the terms of service provided by the Phantom Wallet. And once you have done that, if you already have an account, you can click on I already have a wallet. But if you don't, you can go ahead and tap on create a new wallet. So you can just go ahead and tap on I already have a wallet since we are logging in. And you can use up your email. So you can just tap on email and you can follow up the two process, either Apple ID or through your Google. So I'm just going to go ahead and select my Google account since I have created my account using Google. So you can also select that if you have done that and you will be logged in. Otherwise, if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and tap on create a new account, continue with email again. You can either continue with Apple or Google again. I'm just selecting Google again. And then it will start creating an account and you can use Authenticator if you want. And tap on next and you're all done. Your account will be set up now. Now just tap on get started. And there you go. Now you have successfully been logged in into your Phantom Wallet account just like that. So you can also follow the same process in order to log in into your Phantom Wallet application as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and thank you for watching this video.